Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three. Da 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 da. Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three. Da 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 da. What's up, guys? It's John, your stay-at-home designer here. I'm just over here testing my setup. So everything so far seems to work. I'm kind of moving stuff over to my Windows machine just so I have maximum, capability if I want to do my workflow on one system versus the other. This Windows machine, mega faster. It's just a home built rig. One of my buddies had some old parts, so I also felt like it was relevant to sort of upgrade for myself. For him, it's not it's not top of the line, that kind of thing. But I hope to kind of slow add as we move along. So I'll always update you on parts if I do that. But let me know how this microphone is working. It's a little $14 mic from Amazon, and I like it. At least on my Mac when I've been doing my recordings, it seems to work pretty well. So I want to make sure that it is doing the same thing for us here on the Windows machine. I don't want to sacrifice that quality. The one thing I don't like is you're probably gonna start hearing clicks when I do this. So I may end up moving to a different microphone eventually, but it's hard to say. And here's my screen recording software, OBS Studio, totally free. As you've seen with some of the other software I'm using, I try to do the free stuff so it's a little easier for you guys, and you don't have to sit there and shell out cash. But eventually, you'll start to see that there are some tools that you do need that are well worth paying for, if it helps you get everything done well. So, at any rate, here is the recording. I'm gonna stop this now, and we'll do some testing on other machines here later. All right, take it easy. See you on the next one. Peace, or as my nieces like to say, bye.